Hello and welcome to August 14th, 2024. If you have employees, let this be a reminder. Thursday, August 15th, payroll taxes are due. Save time, pay online. Save money, pay on time. This week, I'll be highlighting 3 simple time-saving hacks that can pay off exponentially. Now, the most important rule of all is to have a dedicated business bank and dedicated business credit card. If you do not have these for your business, then you are not running your business efficiently. And that is not a hack. It is a requirement for an efficient business. My name is Naomi, aka Nifty Nomi, and welcome to my channel, Be That Business. I'm a Canadian bookkeeper and new business educator, and I help entrepreneurs look under the hood to see how it all works. I'm fighting the good fight against double work and against giving CRA more money than you have to. On to my 3 favorite business hacks for August. Business hack number 1. E-transfer messages and automation. E-transfers can make life easier, but they can also make life harder. Some banks show on the monthly bank statements the recipient's name, but many do not. When it comes time to reconcile your bank, e-transfers can be a black hole of unknown details. Even when there is a recipient's name on the statement, does your bookkeeper know the first names of the owners of your vendors and what was it for? To avoid wasting time trying to remember what the heck that e-transfer was for, use that message box when you send it. When you create an e-transfer to send from your online banking, put all the details of what the e-transfer is for into the message of the e-transfer. Put the vendor name if it is not the same name of the recipient and the bill number or numbers being paid. For most banks, they send an e-transfer deposited confirmation to your email and your message is in the body of that email. For example, "Hi John, here's a payment for your Johnny Woodworks Inc. invoice number 135 dated July 5th, 2024. Once the deposited confirmation email comes into your email inbox, now you have 2 great options. You can print this e-transfer confirmation for your files, for you or to give to your bookkeeper, or you can use automation to save even more time. If you have signed up for a paperwork management app such as Dext, you can set those e-transfer confirmations, message and all, to auto-forward directly to your online paperwork management app. Work smarter, not harder. Business hack number 2. File paperwork by month immediately. Have a file folder ready for the year for each and every month and file by month as the paperwork comes in. There is no standard date order that we use in Canada. 7/8/24 could be July 8th, or it could be the 7th of August. This is especially important if you are a business that does not do their bookkeeping live. This way, if you're going to the paperwork for yourself or sharing your paperwork for processing, if you have filed by month as you go, it is already sorted. I cannot stress enough how important this is. It is such a waste of time to sort paperwork. Don't make double work. Don't pay someone else to do something that could have been done magically without any actual work, simply by filing your paperwork by month as it comes in. This works for both physical and digital documents. As an added hack, I name my digital file folders the year, dot, 0 and the month number. So for example, 2024.08 is for August 2024, and 2024.10 would be October 2024. This way, they are always in chronological order, as the months of the year are not actually alphabetical. Business hack number 3. Have your sales register connect directly to your payment processor. This is huge. The amount of time it takes to reconcile the payment processing accounts to the sales register can be ridiculous. Depending on the situation, it could take hours each month. You and your staff will make typos when recording how things were paid. Figuring out what it takes to have whatever method you sell to clients directly connect to the software that charges the debit or credit card will pay off in spades. Do I suggest QBO payments if you send out invoices with QBO? Yes, absolutely. This automates the payment entries and bank deposits right into the bookkeeping, zero effort required. Now, whether you are a retail outlet, a restaurant, a landscaper, or a physiotherapist, having your sales interface either connect to or be the same as your payment processor will reduce the headache of trying to figure out why your sales register says you were paid $34,504.12 by credit and debit cards that month, but only $27,793 went into the bank that month. What are your personal tips and tricks for creating efficient processes? I'd love to share them in an upcoming newsletter and give a shout out to your business. I have a new course announcement. Do you want a deep dive into how to understand what your QBO file is doing behind the scenes? The first half is now out of my new course, QBO for Tax Preparers, and it is all about understanding how QBO actually works and finding and fixing all of the errors that new QBO users are inadvertently guided to add because of the design of QBO. This course is not just for tax preparers, though. Anyone who's interested in understanding QBO and finding and fixing those bookkeeping errors will also find this course incredibly useful. Check out the lessons and the course descriptions in the description below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram at BeThatBusiness, and you can tweet at me. X at me. I'm at NiftyKnowMe, and I'm also at NiftyKnowMe on Twitch and TikTok. And you can find resources and courses about running a Canadian business on my website, naomiwilkins.ca. The video today was recorded in beautiful Gananoque, Ontario. Thanks for watching, and get out there and be that business that thrives.